Dear students, rest of the part of the second chapter, the sound of music. Um in this chapter, we come to know about Evelyn Glennie and her potential about music. So here we start from eighth para. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloists of the Year award. Mean to say, Evelyn Glennie not only delights her audiences, mean to say she performs so minutely and so lovingly, so deeply on the stage with so much perfection that audiences cheer her up. Audiences feel very relaxed and very happy watching her performing on the stage. And apart apart from delighting her audiences, in 1991 she was awarded with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious means respected honorable soloist of the year award. So here we understand that was a great award given to her, says master percussionist James Blades. God may have taken her hearing, but she has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why, that's why she expresses music so beautifully. To see her performances and her extraordinary talent, master percussionist James Blades uh, speaks about her that although God has taken her hearing capacity, but he has given her back something extraordinary, which is given rarely to someone else. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That's why she expresses music so beautifully. So here we understand that what we hear, she feels. What we hear, she feels, and her feeling of music is so minute that definitely we can't help praising her talent. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic is a person who feels pleasure in doing work. एवलिन कन्फेस करती है कि शी इज़ समथिंग ऑफ ए वर्कहॉलिक, मीन टू से शी फील्स प्लेजर while working. I have got to work. I just go to work often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. Evelyn Glennie speaks of her workaholic nature. She speaks about her achievements, and she tells the readers, the audiences, that although she has to work hard, but achievements are grand. Achievements are very big and often harder than classical musicians. Rewards are enormous. Enormous means very much. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Evelyn also gives her performances at various places in prisons and in hospitals. She also she also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. And Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. In this way, we come to know that Evelyn performs at various places in prisons, hospitals, and she inspires her audiences very much. And Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children, who says that she's a shining inspiration for deaf children.
मम्मी बोल रही है ऊपर टांग दो। मम्मी बोल रही है ऊपर टांग दो। मम्मी बोल।
So in this way, we come to know that Evelyn Glennie has become a source of inspiration for all the deaf children across the world who find themselves downgraded or underestimated. But now they also get inspired by Evelyn Glennie's feats and performances, and they can also think that there is no place where they can't go. They can go anywhere with determination and hard work. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So, in this way, Evelyn Glennie has completed. Accomplish means complete. She has completed more than most people twice her age. Mean to say, she has completed her target, and in comparison to the people twice of her age, she has received more glory twice than her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra, and she has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra where percussion was not much popular in orchestra, but she has brought. And the credit goes to Evelyn Glennie. And demonstrated means displayed, and she displayed that it can be very moving means heart touching. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, and Evelyn Glennie has become a source of inspiration for the gifted children who are handicapped people. People get inspired by her, and when they look at her, they say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. In this way, Evelyn Glennie has given enormous pleasure to millions of people across the world, and she is a shining star, and she is a source of inspiration for all the people across the world, and especially the handicapped, those who are disgraced, or those who are underestimated by others. Now they can, and they also get inspired, and they can also go for the second thought before taking any decision. Thank you, have a nice day, and I hope you are doing well in your studies. And in this way, the Sound of Music chapter is complete. If you have any problem, you can contact me, call me up. And this lesson has been written by Deborah Cowley, and this is autobiographical about Evelyn Glennie. Thank you.